Get acquainted with the 2018 Nissan Titan. With less than 60,000 miles on the odometer, this vehicle provides excellent value. You'll love the comfort of this handsome Titan. Its serene cabin, luxurious seating, and quick acceleration elevate every excursion. These are just some of the great options this vehicle comes with: electronic stability control, trip computer, power windows, four-wheel disc brakes, power steering. Rugged capability meets refined comfort in this well-appointed Titan. See for yourself when you take it out for a test drive. Our professional staff looks forward to giving you excellent service.